Hi everyone. Let's talk about hand sanitizer, shall we? Who knew it was a thing? But it is. You go to the shops, the shelves are bare. There is none to be had. However, you can make it, and it's fairly simple. So this is a quick how-to. What you will need is some rubbing alcohol, which you can probably get mail order, 70% alcohol by volume. That's the bad boy that's going to kill the bugs on your hand. Now, to stop your hand drying out as a consequence of your use of the alcohol, how about some aloe vera? That's just going to moisturize. And finally, if you want to, you can add some essential oils. This is lemongrass, which just makes the final mixture smell less alcoholic and makes it a bit pleasant. So, how to? Fairly simple. You are going to combine 1 part of the aloe vera to 3 parts of the rubbing alcohol so that when you mix it up, it's kind of fluid. It's fairly straightforward to do so. It takes not very long to do. You get something of the consistency that's runny and well combined. And at that point, you can, if you want, very simply, with a funnel, add it to a bottle, and you've got something that sits in your pocket or in the car. You can have sanitized hands on the go when you're nowhere near soap and water. Or if you prefer that final stage before you pour it in the bottle, you can add some of your essential oils, just give it a nice bit of an aroma. And there you go. Nice and simple and hopefully useful in these COVID-19 times. Cheers.